NDC a binding party ni share obono adwuma ne dia si well done say a sign contract ya wo dia wo party no wa for fairly na ye
Episode 4, welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right on Ghana SMTV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Episode 4, we now know why Madam Jean Mensa organized this very election. Ewa Ablekuma North. Yes, we now know. First, no, now then, now Ujuwa untiasie. Esan say, Obianim say anka election way there. A brand political party baku. Ewa ne scan copies of the pink sheets. Ewa ho. Now that political party there na se semba se omuntimi baby omi copies nu wana omuntimi huno. Nanka electoral commissioner. The right nanka saw yene say she will straight go ahead and use those scan copies because those scan copies what me who say anyway but the way asem no ko see here Madam Jean Mensa etimi ba be ka say o there be as a scan copy no na omuntimi use na e be running election no ubekaya before the election ni deputies eco parliament and I be so say enti opanai how many police station are mun ni omo result enti na Ablekuma North no muntimi collect omo result and obi na no ka say 3 polling station enti na few days after now you be make announcement say some 19 or so polling stations or so you could hear rerun or hold na ye obia basa say there be o any electoral commissioner we are na go say aka 2 polling stations aka 3 polling stations it na ade no na ye dynasty kakra enti ya ade no say na MPP for there onum say omo ye peaceful enti omo ka say omo nko but later on mami ka say obeko by force and no those no problem. But what we are getting to know now is say the reason Madam Jean Mensa allegedly we are bringing the reason she actually went ahead with this diabolical plan and say wako have the meeting be ewo papa tamekru nyaho tamekru fie onini kunu ene sam NDC4 and now mako ye deal say mami no timi ye no so that rerun of election on be ye no Ablekuma North na NDC e win seat no there ni position no ni juma no on be secure mano John Mahama on pamono biom enti mami no there according to allegations we are receiving right now hot from the oven say why what she has been asked to do. She's just been asked to fulfill a mission, which mission she has fulfilled. But here now you say NDC or very diabolical. Very, very diabolical set of people. And to the fact that Madam Jean Mensa allegedly has carried out this plan that they actually birthed and has done this for NDC does not mean say NDC4 will keep her as electoral commissioner. In fact, Madam Jean Mensa, even worst case scenario, which we know, future impossible, say NDC4 keep you your days are always nabbed at the electoral commission. They are nabbed. And what is sad, they say, from what we are hearing, all these back dealings that happen, her deputies were not even aware. Her deputies were not even aware. Nipa upedeng biu. You see, this word, they say a good name is better than riches. A good name is better than riches already. And this is for mobile, your security detail. They changed the soldier that was supposed to give you protection, and they give you a policeman. They already show you that you are on your way out. You should have known that there was no way they were going to keep you in that position. There was no way. They have their own people, and we are hearing the people they want to change you with, the likes of Martin Kwebu. We know. So, Madam Jean Mensa, I'm very much shocked and surprised at what you've done. You've destroyed your name. You have destroyed your reputation. And it's sad. Because we are in a country that we are advocating that women should be given the chance. Women should be given the opportunity. And now women are given the opportunity, and this is how you are messing up. This is how you are messing up, Madam Jean Mensa. This is how you messed up. We have been behind you. We've supported you. We've protected you. We've defended you.
Meetings upon meetings. Ekwana Madam Jean Mensa one Dr. Nyaho Tamakulu ene Madam Jean Mensa ni kunu Charles Mensa ekwana wo mo bo po eye se nana akua friye nkunimdie wo Ablekuma North no ombesesa no na kwana ombesesa no ne se ese se 3 polling station ye dane no 19 polling station na ye be kwa akwhwehwe polling station bi aka say polling station no ho wasem ye start be bom amane empempenso ye start show yi na ekobia na ye de bremo epobia na ekosubia na ye de bafia ohia tv no meeting a Jean Mensa onini kunu Charles Mensa ene Dr. Nyaho Tamakulu womukosia ya enada kwanso na electoral commissioner so far ni deputies na chi a okoye sa meeting na opre ono nko aniti sanse ya hye ne bose Ablekuma ye yi a enya de se obekofie ana de it's a joke ubekofie na no mo hwe ya Monday ne mekae enura me sansi sudua Wednesday me si sudua enura me si sudua Monday me si sudua me si petitions mako enum ene wo Jubilee House na nienti a petition no yanti committee emfra Jean Mensa ne ne deputies no eye because Ablekuma North because mo twe o mabo so a hemfafo na bekọ akọrọ ne Ablekuma North no nti yemfa petition ne nto ne ewie Ablekuma North na petition ye free ase ayere aka ho asem nti 5 petitions ya amanfo de aba editia Madam Jean Mensa no ewo ho minimum nkrofo no nyina so o mo twere petition no minimum lawyers a guide o mo a wo mo twere petition no na Madam Jean Mensa no person ye fast because NDC ed o masem de kofa Dr. Nyaho Tamakulu so Dr. Nyaho Tamakulu ya me kana semu Ibrahim Mahama no ofa pa no enya ofa se abusua tentene ofa eye ofa pa nkasa eye ofa se kronkron enti NDC de o masem ekofa so Dr. Nyaho Tamakulu so one Madam Jean Mensa ni kunu eye Charles Mensa eye namfofo for a very long time omuboko su yatafre nti onu na edi animu how ombefa so a Ablekuma North City no ebeba NDC wo no onu agina ma protect no adwuma nasi ba protection ne de enye adwuma na omode ma Madam Jean Mensa ema ofa ni deputies na chi ekoye kuntuna se ne ama kopreye eye meeting said deputies no entiase no mo nko kase 37 polling stations scan copies of the pin sheet and the carbon nyina no emu 19 de wo mo electoral commission gituma enye yie no before ansa na ono ni deputies ebeye sa meeting no no afa akire akọ sign the contract ono afa akire ekọbọ ni position ho ban but ohia TV di news no abramo no enye yie adwuma no di asi ono aye ne part but NDC enye omo part and the Madam Jean Mensa unu kunu Charles Mensa adwuma na asi o na mom wo part ne de waye contract no waye na sa contract we no emramu no wo as a lawyer no hunim say wo take wo mo on enye yie wo ka kire wo so mo breach contract na enye yie ana wo de be sha wo ho na ade akofie because wo ntimi ma abontere meka ntre Ghana for say e je say me a minim say there was a meeting between Madam Jean Mensa without the notice of two deputies, there was a meeting between you, Nyaho Tamakro, and your wife and your husband about Ablekuma North. And the adumane dear, oral agreement na. Wunu kunu ne Nyaho Tamakro koye.
But right now, you've shown to all of us how incompetent you are. Yes, you have shown to all of us how incompetent you are. This is what you want. Is that not so? No problem. We live to see.